Looking for a car that you can trust, safe and smooth, no stress, no rush. From city streets to open roads, Car Pros here where peace of mind flows.
Every ride should feel just right. Checked and clean, shining bright.
From morning drives to sunset skies, Car Pros cars will light your eyes. Car Pro, peace of mind. Every mile, every drive, turn the key, enjoy the ride. Car Pro, drive with peace of mind. Need a ride that's smooth and true. Every car is made for you. Reliable, safe, and always kind. That's the Car Pro peace of mind.
From your first car to your dream ride, we'll be right there by your side.
Hassle-free and worry-free. Drive happy, drive carefree. Car Pro, peace of mind. Every mile, every drive, turn the key, enjoy the ride. Car Pro, drive with peace of mind. Family, friends, or solo too.